A319 maintenance checks before power supply. This film presents the A319 outside safety inspection and cockpit checklist to be performed before powering the aircraft for maintenance purposes. Various main stations have been defined. Station 1, Nose Station. Verify that the nose landing gear chocks are in place. Observe that the nose landing gear doors are closed. Make sure that the nose landing gear safety pin is installed. The nose landing gear steering pin must be as required. Verify that the aircraft is electrically grounded. Station 2, Right Main Landing Gear Station. Check that the main landing gear door is closed. Verify that the main landing gear safety sleeve is installed. Observe that the main landing gear chocks are in place. Station 3, Right Engine Station. Make sure that the engine right side access doors are secured. Ensure that the engine left side access doors are secured. Check that the engine fan cowls are secured. Verify that the engine thrust reverser cowls are secured. Station 4, Right Wing Station. Observe the position of the slats and then the flaps. The ground spoilers must be retracted. Station 5, Left Wing Station. Observe the position of the flaps and then the slats. Make sure that the ground spoilers are retracted. Station 6, Left Engine Station. Check that the engine right side access doors are secured. Verify that the engine left side access doors are secured. Make sure that the engine fan cowls are secured. Ensure that the engine thrust reverser cowls are secured. Station 7. Left main landing gear station. The ram air turbine safety device must be in the stowed position. Check that the main landing gear door is closed. Verify that the main landing gear safety sleeve is installed. Observe that the main landing gear chocks are in place. Station 8. Aircraft area. Make sure that the aircraft area is clean and clear of tools and other items. Station 9. External power receptacle. Verify that the external power is connected and available. Station 10. Cockpit station. Check the rear and the overhead circuit breakers. Emergency equipment. Verify that the escape ropes are present. Observe that the fire extinguisher is in position. Make sure that the cockpit is equipped with smoke hoods. The fire protective gloves must be present. Ensure that the crash axe is in position. Check that the cockpit is equipped with life vests. Verify that the oxygen masks are present. Observe that the flashlights are in position. Make sure that the wipers are off. Battery 1 and 2 push-button switches must be off and their voltage should be about 25 volts. Set the battery 1 push-button switch to auto. Then set the battery 2 push-button switch to auto. Check that right-hand dome light is on. Verify that the speed brake handle is in the retract disarm position. If the speed brake handle disagrees with the surface position, maintenance action is due. Make sure that the thrust levers are in the idle position. Engine master switches 1 and 2 must be in the off position. Ensure that the engine ignition mode selector is in the norm position. Observe that the flap handle is set according to surface position. If engine reverser cowls have to be opened for maintenance action, the slats must be retracted. check that the radar is off. Verify that the ATC transponder is off. Make sure that the gravity gear extension crank handle is in the reset stowed position. Observe that the 3 green triangles on the landing gear panel are on. The control safety checklist should now have been accomplished. Set the external power push-button switch to on. Set the Gen 1 push-button switch to on. Set the Gen 2 push-button switch to on. Scan and check that no amber lights are on except Gen 1 and 2 fault lights on panel 35VU. The galley push-button switch should be as required. Verify that there is no light on the ventilation panel. The aircraft is now ready for maintenance.